Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thank you all for being here and I appreciate all your support. This is my Walgreen weekly video and this will be a very easy to follow deals in case you're just starting out with Walgreen. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The first deal I have here will be on Rebate toothbrush. Some of them are on sale for $3 and when you buy two, you get $3 register reward back. I'll be picking up two. That will total me $6. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 coupon that will apply to it and drop it down to $3 and I'll pay that and get $3 register reward back, making both items free. This transaction went very well. I used previously earned $3 register reward to help pay it down. I paid just tax and I got $3 register reward back. I was hoping with this transaction I would get a booster, but nothing printed out. The next deal I picked up will be the Dawn dish soap. They're on sale for $1.24 and when you buy two, you get back $1 register reward. Picking up two will total $2.48. Pay that, we don't have any coupon that is attaching to this and get $1 back, making both items $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal I picked up is the Crest mouthwash, the 8.4 floor ounces. They are part of the buy two get $3 register reward back and they're in the same deal with the Oral-B. So if you want to do it two times, you have to do it two separate transactions. These are on sale for $3 each. Picking two of them will total $6. Check your app. We have another 3 off 2 that is attaching to this one. It will drop it down to $3 and I'll get $3 register reward back, making both items free. The next deal I picked up will be the buy two get $3 register reward back and the Charmin Ultra Soft is part of it. They're on sale for 2 for $12 and check your app because we have a dollar coupon there. And to complete this deal, the next item I will add will be the Bounty Essential, also on sale for 2 for $12 and we have a dollar in our app that will apply to this. With the two coupons, it's going to drop it down to $10 and I'll get $3 register reward back, making both items just $7 or $3.50 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction and the total for all these 6 items will be $20.48 and after all the coupons I mentioned come off, it's going to drop it down to $15.48. I will pay that and get $7 back total in register reward. This worked out very well. All the coupons I mentioned earlier on came off. Then I used 2 register reward to help pay it down. I used a $4 register reward and a $3 register reward. That's why you see a 4 and a 3 there. And I redeemed $10 Walgreen cash, paid just 7 cents out of pocket, and none of my register reward printed out. None of them, even the one for the Dawn or for the paper products. But the cashier was nice enough to give me back $7 Walgreen cash because that's the amount I'm supposed to get back. These are some of the deals I didn't pick up, but I feel like they are worth mentioning. Some of the Walgreen brand trash bags, they're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy one, you get 2 free. So pick up whichever one you like, whichever size you like, and pay the $4.99 for 3 of them or $1.66 each. The next deal is on Pel Detergent. It's on sale for $5.99 and we have a $2 coupon that will drop it down to $3.99. Pay that and get $1 register reward back, making it just $2.99. The next deal will be on some paper products. They're on the deal of buy two, get $3 register reward back and the quilted Northern is part of this. It's on sale for $6.99 and we have a dollar digital coupon for this. And the second item to pick up for this will be the Angel Soft bath tissue. But if your store have the sparkle paper towel, that will be better because we have a $1 coupon for it. The $1 coupon that is covering the quilted Northern is the same coupon that you need for the Angel Soft. After the $1 coupon come off, pay $12.98 and get $3 register reward back, and that will make both items $9.98 or $4.99 each. The last deal in this video will be on Colgate products. They're on sale for $4.50 and when you buy 2 or more, you get back $3 register reward. Pick up 2, that will total $9. Check your app because we have a $4 coupon that will be applying to this and drop it down to $5. Pay the $5 and get $3 back, making both items $2 or $1 each. And thank you guys, because this is where my video ends. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.